Hello, I'm eating a bowl of blue cheese and red onion coleslaw. Now, in our house, we eat this dish 3-4 times a week. I love blue cheese. My wife loves blue cheese. If you love blue cheese, you're gonna love this coleslaw because it's all made with a lot of blue cheese. And then you got the red onions in there, just adding a little zing and a little color. Yeah. Here's a good blue cheesy flavor. Also, raw cabbage, so healthy for you. And this is so quick and easy to make. As you're gonna see in a minute, let's go in the kitchen and do one right now. To make this coleslaw, you've just got a few ingredients, and most of these usually around the house. Well, if you eat blue cheese should be in the house. Anyways, what we have here is we have 2 ounces or 55 grams of blue cheese, and it's just a regular Danish blue cheese. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. What I have here is, first of all, half a head of a medium small head of cabbage, maybe about that size right there, and that has been thinly sliced. Then we've got a quarter of a red onion that's been finely chopped. One, in this case, is rather large, but usually just 1 clove of garlic, crushed. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. And we've got a salad bowl. What I'm going to do here is, first, I'm just going to put in like the garlic, the blue cheese, and I'm just going to, over the blue cheese, pour the oil right over it. Make sure we get all that oil out there. All right, the oil on there, the vinegar, pepper, salt. And for this, rather than use some kind of fancy kitchen gadget, I like using just a regular table fork. Because what you want to do is just want to kind of squish down the blue cheese. We're just going to break it up, and then we're going to blend it in with the oil and the vinegar. And it doesn't have to be perfectly broken up. A couple little chunks of blue cheese in there just adds to the texture. So I kind of roughly break it up and then mix it around. See, it's starting to blend in with the oil. All right. And it always clumps up on here, so it's kind of this, and in we go. And now, going to add the mayonnaise. So let's get this here so we get all the mayo in there. In goes the mayo. And then, again, just using the fork, just kind of blend it all together. The mayo just pulls everything together, makes it nice and creamy. And now, in goes the cabbage. In goes the red onion. And just mix it. All I do is kind of like lift and turn, lift and turn, lift and turn. You're kind of tossing it, pulling the fork through it. And what happens is you get all that blue cheese and the dressing mixing in with the cabbage, mixing with the red onion. So make sure you got it well mixed. There's some clumps there. We'll get those all in. Just keep cutting through, mixing, cutting, mixing, cutting. And there we go. A lovely blue cheese and red onion coleslaw. That is all there is to making this. Let's have a little taste. Yep. If you love blue cheese, you'll love this coleslaw. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for blue cheese and red onion coleslaw on our website. So go print out the recipe, have fun making and eating this refreshing coleslaw, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.